Hi everyone, so today I'm going to be talking about 5 warning signs of a bad campsite. These are things you can look out for to make sure that you have the best motorcycle camp out possible. Stick around. Hi everyone, my name's Tim Collins and this is my YouTube channel FTA Adventures. Today, like I said, we're going to be talking about 5 warning signs of a bad campsite. These are things you should look out for, and if you see them, you should avoid camping in this spot. And without any further ado, the first thing is to look for widowmakers. Widowmakers are branches that are dead and look like they could possibly fall in the middle of the night if the wind picks up or if it starts raining. So when you get to camp, just make sure you look up a little bit and see if there's anything that looks like it could potentially fall. And this could be even a tree that's leaning over, that one good gust of wind might just knock it over the rest of the way. So widowmakers is the first warning sign of a bad campsite. Number 2 is going to be animal tracks or animal poop or anything that looks like a nest. If it looks like animals live there, you might want to avoid it depending on what animal it is. The thing with smaller stuff that you might not think is a big deal, like a field mouse, could attract larger animals like a coyote. So look for any evidence of animals and make sure to be aware of what animals are in the area you're camping in so you know what to look out for. Third thing you should look for is standing water. This means any water that isn't running, like this water behind me. It's going to attract mosquitoes and bugs, and it's just not going to be a good experience. Unless there's a decent breeze blowing through, if there's standing water, you're going to just be eaten alive by mosquitoes. Number 4 is noisy neighbors. So take a look around at who's camping in your area. RVs or other tent campers. Are there children running around that might be making a lot of noise in the morning? People listening to music, that kind of thing. Anybody making a lot of noise that could disrupt your good night of sleep at camp should be avoided. And number 5, this is a big one, especially if you're camping off the grid and you're down a dirt road, let's say for 30 miles to a campground, and you notice that there's a lot of beer cans or trash or bullet casings. This is probably a spot that you should avoid because most likely locals use this as a party spot. And you just don't want to be there if they come out to party, and they could potentially cause other issues for you. So those are the 5 things to look out for when you're looking for a good campsite when you want to avoid a bad one. Anyways, if you're interested in more topics like this, things about camping and motorcycle camping and all of that, I do have a book called The Fundamentals of Motorcycle Camping. I'll link it below. And that is it for this video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.